The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Hello everyone, my name is Divya Chaudhary and I welcome you all to the webinar. I hope I'm audible. Please let us know by typing in the chat box. Also, please bear in mind the question and answer round will happen at the end of the session. But feel free to type your questions in the question box on the right side as we proceed. I have with me Mr. Ajit Bhandari, a design graduate from NIFT Delhi, who comes with over a decade of experience as a fashion and lifestyle accessory designer, design consultant, and a design educator. He has been associated with brands like Walmart Global Sourcing India Private Limited, Nomac Fashions Private Limited, Estelle, NIFT, Khadi and Village Industries Commission of India. He currently leads the course of Lifestyle and Accessory Design at Pearl Jaipur. So let's hear what he has to share today in this webinar. Over to you, Ajit.
Good afternoon, everyone. Uh, are you able to read the above heading of the presentation? Yes, that's the topic of my presentation today. Is that clear? Or maybe not. I'm sure that's how the perception of the course is in your mind, a bit scrambled, a bit jumbled, and a little unclear. So let me help you understand things in more simpler manner. Hello everyone, this is Ajit. I know you have a lot of questions about the field of lifestyle accessory design. I'm here to help you. I have a small presentation for you which will give you an overview of lifestyle accessory design. Lifestyle accessory design is a very specialized domain of product design, but to understand what exactly it encompasses, we have to decode three things. One being lifestyle, the other being accessory, and the third one being design. Let me talk about lifestyle. Lifestyle is the way we live, the way we think, and the way we conduct ourselves. It is the way we choose to live our lives. A simple lifestyle, basic aspiration, basic needs, roles and position were decided by family and society. When I'm talking about this, I'm mentioning about the previous, in the recent past. The basic aspiration of life was to, food, shelter, and the basic need being similar, and the roles and position were decided by family and society as the cultural values. Normally, a wife's role being a person who takes care of the family, a husband's role being person who financially support family. And now in modern lifestyle, there is high aspirations, need an aspirational reflection of achievement. When you talk about, if I today own a Maruti, tomorrow I aspire to buy a Wagonar, probably after that I'll aspire to buy a Mercedes. So it's limitless. And roles and positions are self-defined, where you decide yourself that what you want to be in life and what you want you to be positioned, how you want to be positioned in the society. Clearly, lifestyle has have changed over the years. So you can see that variation of how lifestyle have modified, and how the transition of lifestyle have changed drastically. Let's talk about accessory. Is a thing which can be added to something else in order to make it more useful, versatile, or attractive, and added on more things to it. Let's say simple accessory used to be basic form. Functions was the key to it, where function used to drive the complete form. Performs the task which it was normally made for. I have used an example here as a carry bag, which normally the function was to load and carry, and there is no role beyond that. However, in modern context, when you say modern accessory, evolved form have evolved drastically. Functional and aesthetic are the two key, value which is normally taken in consideration. Has to represent the personality of the user. When you carry some accessory along with you, it talks about you. And normally, a accessory worn or carry worn along with you talks about a person. So the choice becomes very unique, identical. I mean, it's only for you. Lifestyle and accessory, let's connect these two thoughts together. Simple lifestyle, simple accessory. Lifestyle being simple, function and economy, and material and construction was also pretty simple. When you talk about modern lifestyle context, modern accessory, which talks about function plus aesthetic plus tool of self-expression of the user and his and her lifestyle. You have a function. Aesthetic might dominate much higher than function sometime in the modern context. The accessory become the tool of self-expression. It talks about you as a personality, and it becomes your lifestyle. Okay, normally the accessory reflects who you are in the modern context. Vis-a-vis when you talk about in the simple accessory, which was on a later previous context, which says function was the dominance and aesthetic was not too important. Now it's clearly established that today the object we use in daily life are more than just things for functional use. They are symbols and extension of the personalities and lifestyle of their user. The next question, of course, is what is making all this possible? Ever wondered? It's design. Design, it is the process of arriving at creative solution to an identified need, problem, and situation. So, lifestyle accessory design is a discipline of design in which designers create objects, artifacts that are symbols and extension of the personality and lifestyle of their users. Product will give emotional high to the user. The key to accessory design is emotional high. So we're designing emotions. So accessory designer's key role is to design emotion for the user and to define the emotion for the user's lifestyle. And that's the difference between lifestyle accessory design and product design. Let me just take you through a quote from a book, Designing the 21st Century, which says, today's products are required to make pleasurable, emotional connection with the consumer through the joy of their use and beauty of their form. Emotionalism is considered by many designers as a powerful and essential way of facilitating better and more meaningful connections between product and their users. So it clearly says emotionalism is the key, and that's exactly what accessory design domain specializes in. Design of an object goes through the following stages. Normally, the confusion or the myth which says design means sketching, design means artistic representation. That's just the part of it. Let me take you through the stages which normally involve is the part of design as a process. The first one being understand, which says thorough research, which talks about business, which talks about market, which talks about consumer needs and trends. How is business uh, evolving? How is what market it is? Which customers are you targeting to? What is the need? How is the need which will be created within the market for a particular product or accessory? And what sort of trends are prevailing or will be coming up in the coming time? This will be clarified through thorough research, after which there will be an insight which will be drawn, and then you normally a designer spot an opportunity out of these all these points, after which you term to define, which says frame the problem and opportunity. You define the problem, you spot the problem, and you try to pick up the opportunity out of it, and then solution will be taken in consideration. The third one will be ideate, which says conceptualize. You Once the problem is there, opportunity is being defined, you try to propose product ideas and solution for the problem, which will be represented through sketch, maybe rendered, or prototype, a small prototype being developed using various design tools and skills. After which there will be a test and feedback, a very important aspect which differentiate a designer from an artist, which says you need to test and take feedback of your idea from the user, who is the end consumer of your product or your idea. With user and take feedback, modify accordingly and finalize. You need to adapt as per the feedback received from the user who will be using the product at the end. The fifth one being launch. Make it available for the end user through various retail channels. And how will you do it? It will be probably defined strategy based on your business and market research, which will define the proper place and proper time for the launch of any product. Lifestyle accessory design is a specialized 4-year undergraduate degree program at Pearl Academy, and previously explained 5 points in terms of the process of design is what exactly we do under this domain of lifestyle accessory design in Pearl Academy. We equip students with technical and design skills that transform them into design professionals who can design amazing lifestyle accessory and at the same time have a holistic understanding of the accessory design business. A 4-year BA honors degree, lifestyle accessory design, validated by Nottingham Trent University, UK. Let me take you through 4-year journey of lifestyle accessory design program in Pearl Academy. The year one being Introduction to the Design Fundamentals, which talks about uh, fundamentals like visual studies, design concepts, cultural studies, and material exploration, also including communication and computer skills. When you talk about visual studies, you normally try to visualize and sketch it. The idea which is there in your head will be transformed or will be replicating on the paper. You design concepts, you try to initiate building up concepts on your ideas. You study about the cultural aspect of the human race. You talk about cultural, when you talk about cultural studies, you talk about style, you talk about the psychology, you talk about the lifestyle of the people. When you talk about material manipulation, exploration, you normally deal with all sort of material which will give you a hands-on experience on dealing with material on the day-to-day life basis when you become a designer. Then you will learn skill of observation to understand the real world problem and to address them with appropriate solutions. This year is basically the foundation for a successful design career. The year two, which talks about introduction to design principles. Second year introduces student to principle of design along with various manufacturing techniques, technology, and their application in relation to accessory. The year two being very skill based, where you introduce to us all sort of manufacturing techniques, technologies, material handling in relation to accessory design. They are set free, where you will be set free to learn and explore. It is first time exposure for students to understand accessories from design, material, manufacturing, technique, and presentation point of view. Year third will probably emphasize on development of the intellect, will focus more on research, product development, and project management. The stage which will define intense research methods, followed by product development, and finally the project management. The year 4 will be the exposure towards real world, which will be in collaboration with industry and academy, a project which will be a complete independent project done by a student in the industry, and that will be termed as graduation project. And this year will probably give opportunity to apply design skill acquired in classroom to real life opportunity challenges. It is a real life work experience even before they graduate and are ready to be in the market. Product domain will probably be categorized in two categories, where we'll talk about wearable accessories. Few of them will be jewelry, watches, handbags, footwear, eyewear, and many more will be added to the list. Talking about non-wearable accessories will include lamps, tabletop, gift, travel goods, craft-based, etc., and many more to be added to the list. So wherever you feel is the accessory domain is, and we will be leading you and will be training you towards that product. We're not going to train designers who can design lifestyle accessories, but we are going to prepare design professionals who understand the business of accessory design. The design professional who can be accessory designers, luxury custom accessory designers, craft-based accessory designers, design managers, brand managers, trend and forecast analysts, visual merchandiser, entrepreneurs, and the list will add on many of the other opportunities, like you will be placed in the e-retail platform, where the e-commerce is booming in the global scenario. So there are stylists required. So it's not only about the fashion stylist, but you also need a stylist for accessory domain also. So there'll be a sourcing specialist. There will be people who know accessory in and out, and you can source out the best of the accessory across and put it across in one platform. So it's limitless. I mean, the opportunity is limitless. If you have any questions, you can probably put it across and we will answer you. Dear Ridhima, to ask your question, it's not a diploma course, it's a 4-year degree course. 4-year degree course, it's an undergraduate course. Am I clear? I mean, was I able to answer your question properly? Mm. Hi. Hi Ridhima, it's a 4-year degree course, not a diploma course. Am I clear on your answer question? Uh, Dear Vidhi, you can probably call us on our toll-free number, and you will get the all the details about how and when can you apply for this course. And you can also visit our website for further details. Uh, and you can even register online for the and details will be communicated. Uh, Dear Geeta, accessory design is only about accessories, and when I say accessories, it does include jewelry, it does include leather bags, footwear, eyewear, watches, uh, light, lamps and lightings, and many more. Shikha, for fees related to hostel and the academic, can it totally depends on the city, and you can further inquire, calling on our toll-free number, and also Website. Website will have the detail of the fee criteria. At present, we don't have a diploma course for accessory design. It's a 4-year degree course, Ridhima. Dear Mona Lisa, yeah, you can apply even if you have a BE degree. You can register for the program. But however, this is an undergraduate program for 4 years. So we don't have any postgraduate course in accessory design at present. Dear Jay, the degree is not by Mumbai University. It is by Nottingham Trent University, UK. Which will additionally give you advantage of studying abroad on a ease, because you'll be holding a degree from Nottingham University, which is internationally valid. There is definitely an entrance exam. However, we are not expecting you to be too good at drawing. We are here to train you for that in case you lag in that. This is in reply to your question, Deepak. So you don't need to worry about about your drawing skills. We will be training you for that, and we'll probably work towards. Neelima, is the similar answer. I'll say we are not expecting you to be the masters in sketching. If you know basics of it, we are here to sharpen your skills, and further we will which will be helpful for you in designing. So even if you're not so good at it, that's perfectly fine. You can you don't need to worry about it. Dear Vanshika, to answer your question, absolutely, we're not talking about artists, we are talking about designers, and absolutely, even if you're not from artistic background, you're most welcome. And if you're inclined towards design and creativity, there is certainly a scope. Uh, Dear Vidhi, to answer your question, we do have this course available in Mumbai campus also. Soumya, to answer your question, probably you can visit our website for the further detail about the entrance exam details and what sort of sections are there in test. So it's basically a design aptitude test and general aptitude test and creative ability test also. And sample papers are available online, so probably that'll give you more clarity about what sort of questions normally are asked in the test and the exam. Riddhima, to answer your question, we don't have a diploma course as such for accessory design at present. Maybe in near future, if there is any, we'll probably let you know about it. But at present, we don't have a diploma course in accessory design. Vinita, to answer your question, lifestyle accessory design is all about designing lifestyle, which includes all the major lifestyle related products, which I've already discussed, which says it can be jewelry, it can be watches, it can be leather bags, accessory footwear, handicraft, it can be your lifestyle product which you normally see in your house. It can be a kitchen accessory, it can be a tabletop accessory, it can be your utensils which can be designed. So you talk about it and it's all which product which defines lifestyle of a human today will be termed and it will be covered in this course. So that's lifestyle accessory all about, and it's already discussed that it's basically emotion driven, and when you talk about when a product is associated with emotion, it's normally lifestyle. Uh, Vishali, to answer your question, yes, this course is very well available in Delhi, Jaipur, and Mumbai. Mona Lisa, if you want to know more about master's degree in Pearl Academy, probably I would suggest you to visit our website, or else you can even call us on our toll-free number, which is 1-800-10-33-005, and you will be provided the relevant help in terms of the queries you have. Jay, if you're planning to take any other program other than lifestyle, we do have wide range of programs available with us in design. So you can probably visit our website and look for the course which interests you. So there are wide range of wide spectrum of availability of programs with us. Uh, Anchita, to answer your question, yes, we do have a student exchange program, and it's with the foreign universities, and normally it happens in our level year third year semesters which we have in the program. So we do have an exchange program with the foreign universities. Soumya, to answer your question, yes, this course is very well in Delhi and Jaipur also, and we do have this course in Mumbai too. Uh, Jay, to answer your question, first of all, let me clarify. Lifestyle accessory program is not a diploma; it's degree 4-year degree program with us. And yes, I don't see any problem in doing a master after this program in India. There are many of our alumni who are doing masters from various universities within in India and also abroad. Vinita, to answer your question, let me tell you, the list to career prospects is endless. You can be designer in any domain. When you talk about accessory, I'm talking about you can be a jewelry designer, you can be a designer within craft domain, you can be a designer in uh, watches, you can be designer in lifestyle product, you can be a luxury or custom accessory designer, you can be craft based accessory designer, you can be a design manager, you can be a brand manager, you can be a trend forecast analyst, you can even excel in visual merchandising domain, you can also be a part of retail, you can be in sourcing, you can be a fashion curator, you can be a stylist, you can be a fashion stylist when you talk about. So when you say fashion stylist, it's normally termed to be a person who comes from a garment or fashion background, but it's probably the similar nature of job role is there for accessories also, where you tend to be a stylist for accessories too. Muskan, to answer your question, I'll probably put across Divya to answer this question.
Um, Hi Muskan, the placement opportunities with Pearl are immense. In fact, Pearl does assist in internship as well as for placements. We've got a placement record for this year for about 96% placement, most of them having an average salary of at least 90,000 rupees. That I'm talking at least. The average salary is somewhere around 3 lakh to 3.5 lakh per annum. And we do have very good companies that come to Pearl for placements, since we are the oldest institute, about 23 years old. We have Zara, we have H&M, and also we have different profile of industries like export houses that come to Pearl, buying houses like Triberg and Lee and Fung, who had come to Pearl for placement this year. So the opportunities is definitely immense. Muskan, to answer your question, we have two sorts of courses for interior and architecture design, that is what we call it. First is the undergraduate program, again affiliated with Nottingham Trent University. And this year onwards, for postgraduate students, we have introduced a program called Interior Design and Styling, which is again affiliated with Domus Academy Milan.
Vidhi, to answer your question, design manager is a person who manages the complete life cycle of design. When it probably starts from ideation. It says you conceptualize, you think, you research, you define a style, you probably spot a trend, and all the analysis done. Then you prepare a complete story to be presented towards your client or within the organization you're working in, and then based on that the direction is given to the complete team of yours. So design manager is person who normally manages the complete creativity aspect and also the creativity involved within the retail side of it, when you're trying to place the product, when you're trying to test it, when you're trying to collect data or information to be utilize it as a basic foundation for your creativity. Um, Ridhima, yes, I do agree with you that you are already a graduate. We have many other courses in PG level with us, and I would suggest you probably visit our website and maybe even call on our toll-free number for further details. And we have a list of PG programs available with us. Ridhima, if I ask you, what have you done I mean, what's your qualification like? I mean, have you done your graduation in design field or any other field? Nilima, to answer your question, jewelry design is a part of accessory design, and it very well exists under the domain of accessories, and jewelry will be covered within it. So if you want to specialize within jewelry under the accessory domain, you can very well do it. So it's available with us, and it will be under the umbrella of accessory design only. Tanya, as such, we don't have a limited number of seats. However, based on our selection criteria, we pick up the best of the lot who are actually inclined toward the creative side of the career. Ridhima, if BBA graduates uh, can also join the course. This is basically when I mentioned that we're not training designers who can design lifestyle accessory, but design professional who understand the business of accessory design. And if you're from a BBA background, I think by far it'll be a very good option or help for you to enhance this in the design sector also, because business is a part of design. Uh, Muskan, to answer your question, you will require certain documents to carry along for interview, and to have the detailed information about it. Probably, I would request you again to visit to our website, and also try to reach us through our toll-free number, and the complete clarity along with a detailed version of what all documents are required will be given to you. Daniel, I'm not pretty clear with your questions. What do you mean by how do I get my code? Can you reframe your question? I'm not able to understand what do you mean by code.
Vidhi, to answer your question, you can apply for a course by going to our website and registering for the entrance exam. We will have our exam, one cycle, the last date is 10th of January, and the exam would be held on the 16th of January. The other two cycles we plan in April and probably in May. So April for sure, May we are not sure. If we are closed with our admission process, then we might not come up with the third cycle of entrance.
Uh, Neelima, to answer your question, I mean you're specific about fashion designing. So it's the basic criteria is that you should know a little bit about sketching and you should be creative. You should have a creative bent of mind and curiosity to know what it is exactly all about. And I think it should be there. And there's no preparation as such is required. So if you have the thing in you, we are there to sharpen and polish your skills. Uh, Daniel, if I'm not wrong, you're talking about your application process. In this regard, I think you should get in touch with us through website, and our representative probably will get back to you with the solution to your problem. And also, you may call us on a toll-free number, so you will probably get the apt solution to the problem you're facing right now. If I'm not wrong in understanding the question you have asked for.
Ridhima, to answer your question, we do not have a diploma course in lifestyle accessory design. However, we have diploma courses since you're from BBA background, which might be suitable for you. And that would get you into a very niche industry, which is growing at a double-digit rate currently in India, and it's only going to expand, which is we have PG diploma 2-year programs in fashion business, which is in marketing and merchandising. We also have diploma program in fashion business, lifestyle and retail. The third course that we have is luxury brand. This year we have come up with a very new exciting course which is sports management. The fifth course that we have is media and entertainment business, fashion business, in particular for e-commerce. And then we also have a MA program for fashion marketing. So these courses is something that might be suitable for you. If you're not able to catch up with my pace, you can definitely go to our website pearlacademy.com and see the various master's program plus master's diploma program, postgraduate diploma program on our website with details.
Vinjagwad, Vidhi, you've asked about the test center in Hyderabad too. I'm not pretty sure about it, but I think Bangalore we do have a test center. And in case you really want to have more clarity on the test centers, I think you can probably visit the website once to confirm on this.
Okay, so thanks a lot to all the attendees and to you, Ajit. In case there are any more questions, please feel free to call our toll-free number, which is 1800 1033 005, or visit the website www.pearlacademy.com. Also, if you are planning to pursue education in design, you can visit our campus and attend the workshop on how to crack design aptitude test, which we call as DAT, for the entrance exam. You can visit our campus tomorrow. For further information, please call our toll-free number. Take care and have a good day.
Thank you.